Okay, we have seen how to write or output to the screen. We also worked a little bit with statements and operators. Now it's time to get some input from the user. To do that, we are going to use the class scanner. And the class scanner is used to get input from the user in terms of a text, integer, float, any kind of numbers. So to use it, we're going to write this line of code. So scanner, and I'm going to give it a name. It's a variable. I'm going to give it a name. And this is my scanner, for example. Assigned new scanner. You don't have to worry about all of that. You may not know what we're doing here, but just to simplify, we are creating an object, this one, of type scanner, this one. So this is a class name, and it's also a type, a data type, but not primitive data type like double float or int, right? On the other side, on the right side here, we are creating a constructor. It's a special kind of methods or function that has the same name as the class scanner. And we use it with the keyword new to just allocate memory to allocate some memory for us, for the variable myScanner. It can take arguments, like the main method here, it can take arguments. So this one takes one argument, and it's called system.n. What is system.n? Basically, this is a standard input of the system, which is the keyboard now. So what we're doing here, basically, we are creating or allocating memory for the object myScanner using this statement here, and we use this memory or reserve this memory for this variable myScanner, which is of type scanner. Now, this is an object, and because it's an object, it has methods we can use. And the way we do that, we can just say myScanner dot and write the method. Before we do this, let's fix this issue here. So we have a red line here and here. That means there is an error. If we look at the error here, it says cannot find symbol. That means we cannot find this class. Why is that? Because this program does not see or cannot see the package that has this class. And what is this package? We can see here. So if you click on this icon here, you will see some options. The first one is to import the package in which scanner is located. So if you do this here, click on it, you see import java.util.scanner. So basically, this is a package in which scanner is located, and scanner is a class. So we're just importing this class. And physically, this class is inside a folder named util, and this one is inside a folder named Java. Okay, so now there is no error here, so we can use it. And the way we use it is just like that. We write myScanner dot, maybe next, and this one can scan for a word, just one word. So it will scan the input from the user for one word and keep it, and you can put it in a variable of type string. So we can just here say name string name, assign that, right? Or we can have a whole line of string or text by doing what? Saying next line, just like that. So this statement here is waiting for the user to enter some input and take this input and put it into the variable name. So if we just remove this and we just write system.out.println, stuff like that, and write hello, please enter your name. Then we can say my scanner dot next line in case the user wants to add first name and last name. Remember that next only getting just one word. Next line can take everything. So we can put this into a variable name, just like that, and then we can use it. So to use it, we can just say system.out.println, and then we write here hi plus name. So what this line of code does, basically it takes the variable name, now it has a content, it has a name, the actual name, and just add it to the word hi. How we do that? This here is a string because it's in double quotes. And then we have this as a string. Now, the plus operator works as a glue, right? So it glues this string with this string and pass them to this function, which outputs them to the screen. So let's run this and see. So if we run it, it asks us, hello, please enter your name. I'm just going to write any name. So I'm going to say, for example, John Smith, just like that. So it says, hi, John Smith. We can take other kinds of inputs, like integers, for example. So we can just say, you know what, system.out.print, please enter your age. And then we can say what? Int age. In this case, my scanner dot next int, just like that. And then we can confirm this by saying system.out.print your age is plus. Now, as you can see here, this is a string, but this is an integer. Now, how could we glue both of them like that? Actually, there is like a kind of automatic conversion because this is a context in which we need two strings. So this one will be converted to a string. Okay? So if we run this, it says what? Hello, please enter your name. So we're going to just again write John Smith. And then it says, hi, John Smith, please enter your age. So I'm just going to write 33. So your age is 33. And we could do this with floats. So imagine that this is a student, right? So we can just do float or double. Maybe we can just use double for now. So double. And we can say GPA, right? Before that, we can just write system.out.println. And here, please enter your GPA. And then double GPA is going to be what? As you can guess, my scanner dot next. You can see here there are many functions. This one is taken byte data type. This one is taken double, float, int, etc., etc. So we can just check this one, click on this one. Can now take an input of type double. And then we can say system.out.println and your GPA is plus. And again, the value here is double, but it's going to be converted to string so that we can add them together. So if we run this again, it says enter your name. So John Smith, enter your age, 33, GPA 3.5. So now we're good. So this is basically how to get the input from the user through the keyboard. Thank you.